Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today marks the beginning of a new series where I'll share my reflections on medical student care and how my perspective has evolved over the past 4 years of medical school. If you find this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Your support helps me continue creating content that you find valuable. In this series, I'll be exploring my experiences as a medical student, focusing on how my understanding of student medical care has changed from my first year through my current 4th year. I'll discuss the challenges and lessons learned in clinical settings and how these experiences have shaped my views on the role of medical students in patient care. To start, a little about myself. I'm currently in my 4th year of medical school. My journey began with a solid foundation from 4 years of undergraduate studies and a year of master's coursework before entering medical school. By the time I began my 3rd year, I was eager to apply what I'd learned in a real-world setting. In the first 2 years of medical school, the focus is predominantly on theoretical knowledge. We spend countless hours with textbooks and lectures preparing for exams like Step 1. Clinical exposure during these years is minimal, and while it's essential, it's only a glimpse of what's to come. When I entered my 3rd year, I began rotating through various specialties in hospital and clinic settings. This was a significant shift from the classroom to hands-on patient care. Initially, I saw medical students as supplementary to the main care team. Our role often felt secondary, and I noticed patients sometimes felt frustrated having to repeat their stories to multiple students and doctors. As I progressed through my rotations, I began to see things differently. My initial perspective of being a potential inconvenience evolved into an appreciation of the value we bring to patient care. Early on, I focused on learning how to approach patient interviews and formulate diagnoses. This was challenging, but it was also where I started to realize the impact we can have. One of the key lessons I learned was how to manage patient interactions more effectively. I recognized that while patients might feel burdened by having multiple people involved in their care, medical students play a crucial role in gathering detailed information and providing additional support to the primary care team. This realization shifted my view from feeling like a hindrance to understanding the integral part we play in patient care. As I gained more experience, my confidence grew. I developed a structured approach to patient interviews and learned to balance the demands of documenting and presenting cases. I found that medical students, though still in training, contribute significantly by offering extra time and attention to patients, which can be particularly valuable in busy clinical settings. I also observed how patients benefit from the extra layer of care that medical students provide. While there may be occasional frustrations, students often ask questions that lead to more thorough evaluations and better patient outcomes. This experience has reinforced my belief in the importance of having medical students involved in patient care, under the supervision of experienced doctors who ensure quality and safety. Reflecting on my journey, I now feel confident about the role of medical students in the healthcare system. If I were a patient, I would be comfortable with medical students being part of my care, knowing that their work is closely monitored and contributes to a more comprehensive care experience. Thank you for joining me in this reflection on how my perspective on medical student care has evolved. I hope my insights offer a clearer understanding of the role medical students play in patient care and the valuable experiences we gain through our clinical rotations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your engagement means a lot and helps me continue sharing my journey with you. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll dive into different aspects of medical school and patient care experiences. See you next time.